Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a hanging letter design in Canva. So, the first step in creating this design is choosing a background color. After we've selected that color, we're going to go to Elements and search for a square shape. Then we're going to change the color of that square shape. After we've changed that, we're going to drag this until we see this line, which tells us where half is. Once we have completed that step, we're going to add a text. Now I'm going to add one letter from the word that I'm going to create. So we're going to change the font, the color, then we're going to select Effect. We're going to select Lift. We're going to turn it up to 100. Now we are going to rotate this letter. Duplicate it. Rotate. We're going to do the same thing for the remaining letters. Okay, so now that we have completed that step, we're going to select a circle. We're going to change the size of the circle. We're going to drag it onto the C. Now we're going to change the color to purple. Then we're going to go back to Elements and we're going to add a line. We've added the line, we're going to rotate it. We're going to select right here, border style. We're going to change the corner rounding to 36. Now we're going to group it. After grouping it, we're going to duplicate. We're going to add it to all the remaining letters. We're going to change the color of this one. And here we have it. Thank you guys for watching.